They thought they'd seen everything in modern war: drones, missiles, stealth jets. But on the sixth day of Operation Rising Lion, the battlefield changed forever. Israel did something no nation has ever done before. It unleashed a weapon of science fiction in real war, and the enemy never saw it coming. On May 28, 2025, Israeli defense firm Rafael made a chilling announcement. For the first time in history, they said, a high-energy laser was used in real combat to destroy incoming threats. The weapon, a prototype known as the Iron Beam, a laser so fast, so precise it incinerates drones mid-air, at the speed of light. And it wasn't just a test. It happened during the Iron Swords War, a battle born from the ashes of Hamas's brutal attack on Israel in October 2023. The target? A swarm of drones launched by Hezbollah, an Iranian-backed group with a deadly arsenal. They believed they could overwhelm Israeli defenses. But what they didn't know was that Israel had already activated the Iron Beam. Footage released by Rafael shows a drone soaring through the air. Then, a blinding flash, a wing catches fire. Seconds later, the drone spirals down in flames, vaporized by light itself. This wasn't just about retaliation, it was about evolution. In October 2023, Hamas launched over 5,000 rockets in just 20 minutes, nearly overwhelming Israel's famed Iron Dome. That's when Israeli leaders knew traditional missile defense wasn't enough. They needed a faster, cheaper, infinite-shot weapon. Something that could shoot down threats before they even reached Israeli skies. That's when Iron Beam moved from lab tests to battlefield reality. So how does it work? The Iron Beam is a 100-kilowatt high-energy laser system. It hits targets from several kilometers away. Zero delay, zero explosion, zero cost per shot. Unlike missiles, which cost tens of thousands or even millions, the Iron Beam fires for just $3.50 per blast. As long as there's power, it keeps firing. No smoke, no sound, no warning, just silent death from the sky. Hezbollah alone is believed to possess over 200,000 rockets, missiles, and drones. Iran, its patron, produces 1,800 Shahed drones per year. Hundreds are already in Russian hands, and all of them are aimed at Israel. But these aren't dumb missiles, many fly low below radar. That's where Iron Beam shines, intercepting what other systems miss. It's not replacing the Iron Dome, it's completing it. Traditional missile defense is honestly brutally expensive. An Arrow 3 missile, that's about $3 million. David's Sling, $1 million. And even Iron Dome's Tamir missiles cost $50,000 each. In April 2024, defending against Iran's missile swarm cost Israel and its allies over $1.1 billion. That's just not sustainable. The Iron Beam changes that. Fire it 14,000 times, and you've only spent as much as one Tamir missile. The math here is, well, undeniable. But, lasers have their limits. Fog, smoke, rain, these things can scatter the beam. And it's got a short range, just 6 miles at best. Worse yet, power dependency. Knock out the grid and the beam goes dark. It's not perfect, but honestly, it was never meant to be. It's the last line of defense, a guardian that waits quietly, until it needs to burn. As Iran continues launching missiles and drones, as Hezbollah stockpiles thousands more, Israel is quietly preparing. The final version of Iron Beam is expected later this year. Faster, stronger, smarter. This isn't the future of war. This is the war, right now, and it's being fought with lasers. What do you think? Will other nations follow? Is the age of bullets and bombs ending, and the era of light just beginning? For more on cutting-edge weapons and the future of warfare, hit subscribe and follow us at The Military Show. You've just witnessed history, and it's only getting started.